Hey guys, we're so glad to see you back on the channel. We hope you guys will enjoy a new video. Let us know what you thought of it in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe and let's get straight into the video.
You've probably seen special spike strips thrown on the road during police chases in movies, news, or even video games. They limit the speed of the car, but they're not 100% efficient because even with flat tires, the car can continue moving, endangering everyone around it. That's why conventional spike strips are being updated by other systems. This portable system from the United States, which is mounted on the front bumper of a police car during a pursuit, allows the officer to stop the offender in a matter of seconds without losing control of the situation or endangering other road users. It works in two steps. First, the wheels become entangled, limiting their ability to spin. Second, the police car breaks down, forcing the other car to come to a halt. A British company has developed an even better and more efficient method. It's especially successful because it doesn't require physical contact with the perpetrator's vehicle. It's an autonomous device with a complex internal device that generates a powerful RF and microwave radiation that the operator on board can control and thus stop any vehicles around it. Several experiments have proved that the device works equally well on land, sea, and in the air, with waves ranging from 160 to 1300 feet depending on what type of vehicle being stopped. You can update your old weaponry if you don't have the funds for newfangled gadgets and systems. This technology is attached on a police car and allows officers to deflate any vehicle's tire in exactly 4 seconds, by pressing a button inside the car to release a spike strip that will hit the offender's vehicle's tire, forcing it to stop. The officer does not even have to exit the car to accomplish it. This is a modular design that can be placed on any stretch of road in less than 40 minutes. It's a temporary barrier that causes the offender's car to stop on impact. It's essential if you need to safeguard an important government facility or, for example, a crowded area from a collision. Crash tests have shown that it can stop a vehicle weighing 500 pounds at 30 miles per hour or a car weighing over 15,000 pounds at 20 miles per hour. Although this method was initially developed entirely for border services, it was clear after numerous tests that it can be efficient whenever you need to stop a vehicle quickly. It is a portable system that requires only a few seconds and a few people to set up when a car hits an obstacle. It falls into a trap where the device first pierces the tires with spikes and then tightly wrapped around the wheels, stopping the car from moving. The device penetrates the tires with spikes before wrapping around the wheels and immobilizing the vehicle. Because this is a non-lethal technology, the driver's risk is negligible. The net is comprised of an incredibly strong synthetic fiber, with each strand capable of withstanding a load of up to 1,100 pounds, allowing the system to easily stop trucks weighing up to 22,000 pounds. The design is modular, allowing it to be readily rolled up after the operation. The heavy-duty hooks mounted on the front bumper of the police car don't stick out during a pursuit. Law enforcement officers use them to hook the vehicle in front of them. The hooks are safely attached to the frame of the vehicle, so when the officer hits the brake they start forcing the offender to slow down, and also the system is totally safe, it doesn't lift you. We can't think how many terrorist assaults may have been prevented if comparable devices had been employed as crowd control measures. This is a mobile equipment that, despite its seeming weakness, is capable of stopping big and massive cars weighing up to 16,000 pounds. The gadget is only 53 pounds, has wheels, and can be assembled and deployed without the need of tools by a single person. To safeguard vast regions, many modules can be combined into a single continuous barrier. A device designed by a US corporation is capable of stopping a car weighing 15,000 pounds driving at 50 miles per hour in an instant, and it can be deployed on nearly any road. The mesh ranges in width from 20 to 80 feet, allowing for more installation and application choices. The grid is usually hidden in an underground section and does not obstruct traffic, but when an emergency traffic halt is required, the barrier is activated in exactly 2 seconds. The next item on our list has a name that speaks for itself, and its design is suggestive of a razor. The tire killer only penetrates the tires and slows the automobile if it's traveling in the wrong direction. It's not harmful if you're driving in the proper direction because the spikes are slanted and can't puncture the tires. The only difference is that the following device's nails already stick out in two directions, making it appropriate for stopping vehicles traveling in either direction. The system appears to be incredibly deadly, but the 5-inch spikes are really only harmful to criminals. A unique hydraulic system allows the spikes to be extended as well as hidden, leaving the road absolutely flat. A Dutch manufacturer created a much more enhanced form of the standard spike strip few years ago. The equipment is compact, movable, and relatively light, weighing approximately 53 pounds. As a result, it can be swiftly placed any place by just one or two persons. The spike strip may be controlled remotely from a distance of up to 330 feet, allowing you to stop the perpetrator's automobile and fold up the spikes before the police cars pass behind. The last advantage worth highlighting is the heist safety. The last device on our list helps clear a car chase before it starts. It's small and fits even inside the glove compartment of a car thanks to its unusual shape. This equipment shreds the tire and deflates it in 5 seconds. It is recommended to use it before special operations whenever there is a high danger that the suspect would attempt to flee by car.
Hey guys, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe, like and leave a comment to support the channel. We upload multiple times a week, so don't miss out. We hope to see you next time.